We passed what was once the town of Hamburg, 2 years ago a bustling village. Now all is gone. The placers were worked out, the cabins became deserted, and the floods of 2 years ago finished its history by carrying off all the houses, or nearly all. A camp of Klamath Indians on the river bank is the only population at present. Just below were some Indian graves. A little enclosure of sticks surrounded them. Each grave is a conical mound, and lying on them, or hanging on poles over them, are the worldly goods of the deceased, the baskets in which they gathered their acorns, their clothing and moccasins, arms and implements, strings of beads, and other ornaments, decaying along with their owners. In contrast with this was a sadder sight, a cluster of graves of the miners who had died while the town remained. Boards had once been set up at their graves, but most had rotted off and fallen. The rest will soon follow. Bushes have grown over the graves, and soon they, as well as the old town, will be forgotten. Friends in distant lands, mothers in far-off homes, may still be wondering, often with a sigh, what has become of loved sons who years ago sought their fortunes in the land of gold, but who laid their bones on the banks of the Klamath and left no tidings behind. Alas, how many a sad history is hidden in the neglected and forgotten graves that are scattered among the wild mountains that face the Pacific.